If your Eufy doorbell won't connect to Wi-Fi, it is usually a simple range or frequency issue that we can fix in minutes. The most common reason for failure is trying to connect to a 5 GHz network, as Eufy requires the 2.4 GHz band. Let's start by identifying if the problem is your router or the doorbell itself. Always start by power cycling your equipment and ensuring your phone's Bluetooth is active for the initial handshake. Check your router settings to ensure you aren't using a VPN or a high-security firewall that blocks the doorbell. The LED indicator on your HomeBase will tell you exactly where the connection is breaking down. Remember that solo models talk directly to your router, while other models must first connect to the HomeBase. Connection reliability drops significantly after 30 feet, especially when passing through exterior brick or metal doors. If all else fails, a hard reset will clear the internal cache and allow for a fresh pairing attempt. Grab a paperclip and your phone to perform these final reset steps safely. Keep in mind that household appliances can often interfere with the wireless signal reaching your front door. With these steps, your Eufy doorbell should be back online and protecting your home.